Video we are going to learn that what is ischemic heart disease and what is its classification. Ischemic heart disease refers to a group of conditions that results from an imbalance between myocardial oxygen supply and demand. The imbalance between supply and demand leads to the tissue hypoxia, and this imbalance results mainly due to the atherosclerotic disease, although it can also occur in the non-atherosclerosis causes like coronary artery anomalies in younger individuals and systemic vasculitis. So any condition leading to the imbalance between supply and demand of the oxygen to the myocardium and causing the tissue hypoxia is known as the ischemic heart disease, which is further classified as the stable angina and acute coronary syndrome. Stable angina, it occurs due to the fixed narrowing of the coronary arteries, and in this condition the narrowing of the coronary artery is fixed mainly due to the atherosclerosis, and the symptoms only appears when there is a exertion, or exertion could be of the physical exertion or emotional exertion, like any emotional stimulant, eating, cold weather can exacerbate the condition, and symptoms are predictable, and the symptoms resolve once the stimulus is removed. So if there are appearance of the symptoms during the exercise, and if the patient takes rest after the exercise, then symptoms disappears. So stable angina is called stable because this is a benign condition and it resolves by taking the precautionary measures, or by taking by removing the stimulus. While acute coronary syndrome, it's a somewhat emergency condition, and it refers to a group of conditions that result from a sudden and unpredictable disruption in the coronary blood flow. There is a disruption in the coronary blood flow which is sudden and unpredictable in nature and causes the myocardial ischemia. It further classifies as unstable angina and acute myocardial infarction. If due to the sudden disruption in the coronary blood flow there is only ischemia of the myocardium, then we categorize as the unstable angina. And if there is due to the ischemia persists, if ischemia persists and there is cell death or infarction of the myocardial cells, then we categorize it as the acute MI. So ischemia is if ischemia occurs which is only the diminished volume of perfusion to the myocardial cell, then we call it the unstable angina. If decreased perfusion results in the cellular response, tissue start dying from the lack of the blood supply, and infarction results, then we call it the acute MI. Acute MI can further classify as NSTEMI, which is non-ST segment elevation myocardial infarction and ST segment elevation myocardial infarction. So this was the classification of the ischemic heart disease, and it is classified according to the different categories according to the severity of the disease and response of the myocardial cells to the decreased blood supply or imbalance between the oxygen demand and the oxygen supply.